This is an airplane's unique emergency slide, and it costs upwards of $30,000 US. These slides are designed to inflate in just a matter of seconds to ensure passengers can evacuate quickly during an emergency. In this video, a demonstrator shows how the testing process works. But fair warning, never trigger this slide out of negligence, and definitely not just for fun. If you do, you'll face serious trouble and a massive fine. Why? Because simply repacking one of these emergency slides costs nearly $12,000.